So if you're looking to get a desk, IKEA is a very popular option. But what if you want an automatic motorized desk? I got the IKEA IDÅSEN sit-stand desk because I noticed that after sitting long hours and working, I really hurt my back. I like the idea of being able to stand up while I'm working. IKEA has two different sit and stand automatic desks, the Bakant and the IDASEN. Well, I chose for the more expensive IDASEN. So while I'm unboxing and setting up this desk, I'll tell you every little detail about it. My name is Felix and welcome to How to Create It. First, let me organize this stuff. So let's start off with the IKEA desk. I'm super excited to set it up. Very important. Some tools. So the IDASEN desk is available in different versions. You have two different sizes, one being the smaller 120 centimeters by 80 centimeters and then the 160 centimeters by 80. I got that one because I like a little more space on my desk. Talking about the two different color tabletops. The first one is a pure black tabletop and the second one is this brown one that I got right here. I like the brown one a little more because it adds a little color. The black one is really dark. And then I'm surprised that they do have the pure black tabletop, but not the frame itself. So an important note is that it is not actual solid wood. It is 4 centimeters thick, but it has a honeycomb grid inside. It supports up to 75 kilograms of weight, which is quite a lot. It supports all the stuff that's on my desk, but still, it's not solid wood. If you would like a solid wooden tabletop, that is actually possible. IKEA has a range of all tabletops that you can choose from, and you can only get the base and then add the tabletop on top of that instead of having this one that comes with it. I like how this one looks, and it's strong enough to hold my monitor as well on the arm, and as well as my microphone right here that is also connected to the desk. So you can change the height of this desk, if I didn't make that clear before, from 63 centimeters to 127 centimeters, which I think is more than enough as a minimum, as a maximum. I range between those two, but I think it has more than enough range for everyone's need. So this desk is known to be very stable. And what I like about it is that from the base, from one end to the other end, it adds a spine all the way through the middle, which adds really to the stability of the overall desk. As well, if your floor is not even, you can change the individual feet to balance the table out. After a few years, if your desk for whatever reason doesn't go up or down with the electronic feature that it has, IKEA actually promises free 10-year warranty on this desk, which I think is amazing. So you probably know IKEA's very popular cable organizer frame that you can put under any table or desk. I used to have a regular dining table as a desk that you can also see my previous videos. And what I did with that is just put it under there and I could organize the cables. No need for that on this desk because this one has its own built-in cable organizer. So it is kind of an elastic net that pushes all the cables against the desk, which I think is more clean. Okay, so something this desk has that a lot of other desks don't have, and that is a physical hinge. So you can place it on the left or the right. It's a plastic hinge that you can press or pull to actually get the desk to go down or up. And what I like about it is that it's physical, and the thing I don't like about it is that a lot of desks actually have an automatic touch button or even an indicator. None of that on this desk, but yeah, what can you expect at the price, right? Something that you can do though is it connects via Bluetooth. The desk has a Linux system, meaning that you can connect it with your phone or with your desktop, and you can control it with a little application on there. I must say, on the phone it works pretty good, but on the desktop it only works when you pre-press the button. I'm not sure if that is only with my PC. Something I added to the desk, which I think really adds value to the overall desk, is this headphone holder right here. It's actually in the same color. I really like that it just can grab my headphone and store it there without being very visible or in the way. I'll put it in the description. It's from AliExpress. It's very cheap, but very high quality. I like it. So yeah, in conclusion, I think overall it's a very high quality desk for the price. I really think it adds to my setup. I like that I can place my big KRK monitors on there. I like that I can place my computer on there and my screen and everything connected to it. And I can even adjust it in height from sitting to standing all together. There are just a couple cables going under and everything is pushed against the desk to really hide the cables. Talking about the setup, I'm doing a video very soon in which I'm explaining everything about it. So if you have any questions regarding to that, let me know in the comments. And as well, let me know in the poll what you think of this desk. Anyways, stay creative. See you in the next one. Peace.